In Boca Raton, new construction is around 2,500 square feet inside a gated community, and it often pushes past $1.5 million. In Delray, we have the same story, and in many areas, you're buying older inventory at those prices. Here, in Amara, you're getting brand new construction with large floor plans, options with casitas, some half-acre lots, and no CDD. That part matters because no CDD means lower long-term carrying costs compared to many other communities in Palm Beach County. And that changes your 10-year ownership math. Most buyers obsess over interior square footage, but lot sizes is where long-term value hides. In Boca, many gated communities give you title lots. Here you actually have space. And some models sit on gorgeous lots. And the half-acre options give you something rare in South Florida, which is privacy. Room for a serious pool, outdoor kitchen, guest casita, and real backyard living. In this climate, indoor-outdoor living is not quite a luxury, it's how people actually live. Amara has only 145 homes planned, and guess what? 16 already sold before the grand opening. That means early cycle. When you buy early in a new cycle or new construction cycle, you're not just buying a house, you're buying into price escalation potential. Builders adjust pricing as inventory drops, as you know, and early buyers usually sit in the strongest equity position once the community is completed. That's development math. You're positioned near Wellington, close to major roadways, actually 2 miles away from the turnpike, inside Palm Beach County's growth corridor, with access to strong public-private school options. Now here's something that most buyers in this area don't know just yet. There's a new independent school being planned just minutes away from here. Wingrove Academy, pre-K through 12. Planned opening August 2028. This isn't a rumor or a maybe. It's in development near the West Palm Beach's business hub. And for buyers with families or buyers who understand how school proximity drives long-term residential value, that matters. Historically, communities near strong school options hold longer value and attract a more committed buyer profile. So you're not buying next to an established school district yet. You're buying before everything is established. So that's a different position. And in real estate, getting in before an anchor is fully built is where the upside lives. So you'll be getting access without paying Boca's premiums. As you know, in South Florida, value expands outward over time. Boca and Delray pushed north, and now growth is spreading west and inland. That's how cycles move. This community is not for someone who wants walkability to Meisner or downtown's Delray's nightlife. This is for someone who wants space, modern design, new construction, lower density, predictable HOA structure, and again, no CDD burden. Different buyer, smarter match. So zoom out. Palm Beach County keeps expanding west, and infrastructure follows rooftops. Retail follows population, and early communities often become anchor neighborhoods once development matures. The mistake buyers make is waiting until the area is fully established, but by then, pricing already reflects maturity, as you know. Buying during early absorption phases is where upside sits. So, this is Amara, and is it better than Boca or Delray? No, it's just different. And for some buyers, it's financially smarter. If your priority is space, new construction, no CDD, low HOA, and long-term positioning in Palm Beach County, this deserves a serious look. So there you have it. Home prices here start in the $1.2 million. And if you want to see the real breakdown, such as base pricing, lot premiums, upgrade ranges, deposit structures, and what early phase buyers are actually securing right now, don't guess. Message me Amara and I'll send you everything. Then you'll decide if this is positioning or just another community. No hype, just numbers. My name is Anca Maria and I would love to meet you.